लेट्स डिस्कस द ब्रॉडर मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। काफ़ी बातें और काफ़ी चर्चा आपके साथ इस चैप्टर में हुई है, जिसमें हमने डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में जाना, जिसमें हमने डेमोक्रेसी की एक्चुअल पोजीशन विश्व के अन्य देशों में क्या है, हाउ द पीपल ऑफ एस्टोनिया, सऊदी अरेबिया, फिजी एंड अदर कंट्री आर फेसिंग द प्रॉब्लम, इवन देम देयर इज ए डेमोक्रेसी. We have also discussed about the comparison of China, and we have discussed the many example that prove us that ki democracy is better form of government. To compile all these points, I am in front of you to explain the broader meaning of democracy. I will explain this concept in the reference of India. If you take the example of India, India is a democratic country. We have the different type of legislatures, we have different type of executive, we have different type of judiciary. This is the actual feeling of democracy, where we have the various type of organs like legislature, executive and judiciary. There is a kind of decentralization of the power. शक्तियों का बंटवारा है. The power are not there in a single hand. The power are distributed from high level to lower level. This is the democracy. And to check out that what is the work is being done by the government, it is correct or not, we have the provision like a judiciary. At the different level, the judiciary check the working style of the democratic government. And time to time, the democracy are supposed to give the suggestion to the democratic form of government. If we talk about the democracy, we have the complete political structure. हमारे पास complete political structure है. We have the different political parties. We have the Election Commission of India. Political parties are free to participate in the election. And voters are also free to cast their vote without any influence. Under the political structure, we have the parliament, we have Lok Sabha and we have राज्य सभा. हमारे पास लोक सभा है, हमारे पास राज्य सभा है, where the elected representative are sitting and to frame the policies from the welfare of India. It is happened only in democracy. They pass the policies, executive execute them, and what is the actually policies are executed or not. To check out this situation, this is the judiciary. We have the judiciary called majority rule. In democracy, there is a majority rule. Those who are come in full majority, they can form the government. This is a system. These things are tells us that these are the broader concept of the democracy. There is an election. Those who come with the full majority, they can form the government. Power to elect representative. We have the power to elect our representatives. We elect our representatives because we have democratic form of government. We have the parliament, we have the Lok Sabha, we have the Rajya Sabha, we have the different executives, we have the judiciary, and there is a provision of the majority rule. Those who come with the maximum seats in Lok Sabha, their party member become the Prime Minister of India, and those who are in second position, they are known as opposition. सो द ब्रॉडर कॉन्सेप्ट की अगर हम लोग बात करें बच्चों, तो डेमोक्रेसी अपने आप में एक फूलों का गुलदस्ता है, और इस गुलदस्ते में तमाम तरीके के फूल हैं जो किसी भी देश की जनता को महकाते हैं. चाहे हम रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात करें, चाहे हम पार्लियामेंट की बात करें, चाहे हम रूल ऑफ लॉ की बात करें, चाहे हम अलाउ टू करेक्ट मिस्टेक की बात करें, चाहे हम अकाउंटेबल गवर्नमेंट की बात करें, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर कम्स इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ ब्रॉडर मीनिंग ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. So this is all about this chapter. What is democracy? Why democracy? You all are welcome with your queries. We are ready to sort out your queries. No issue. I hope that all the concept you are easily understand. आपको ये सारे concept easily समझ में आ गए होंगे. So all the best for today's lecture. उम्मीद है कि आपको ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. So thank you very much from my side. All the best.